Usembut Menteri Rangba uba Prestone Tynsong ula pentip bala Aiti ya Bynta Jong Western Bypass Jaka Nhidcl na ka Bynta banchna surok. Ula ya thu bala dep penbiang na dong syadong bat ka jingyo ya ka Jaka la Aiti Bynta da baro arngut ki Deputy Commissioner Jaka Nhidcl. Ukermen basyan ka sarkar kan sa Aiti ya baro shilinter Jaka Nhidcl banchna surok. Bat ha kabayadai bat kasurok Shillong Dauki ula ong ba kam kalanang yat syaprang Jong ka Bynta beningkong bat baar Jong kani ka project na surok.
I do review meeting with the NHSL and then all the concerned department for the implementation of Shillong Dauki Road, and number 2 is for the Western Bypass. So right now everything is on track, and as far as Western Bypass is concerned, even the possession of land has been partly handed over to the Nhidcl. Both the DCs, one is from East Khasi and number 2 is from Riboy district. So land possession has been handed over partly, and very soon I'm very sure we'll be able to hand over the entire stretch of this road length, whatever, to the NHSL, because the work order also has been issued to the contractors.